Hello dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the chemicals in food. Chemicals are added in the foods to increase their nutritive values, to enhancing their appeal and for their preservations. These are the three main category of uses: for preservation of the food for a longer period of time, improving their appeals and adding nutritive value in them. The main categories of the food additives are food colors, flavoring and sweetening agents, fat emulsifier and stabilizing agents, flour improves anti-staling and agents and bleaches, antioxidants, preservatives, and nutritional supplements such as minerals, vitamins, and amino acids are added in the foods. Except for the chemicals of category 7, that is mineral, vitamins and amino acids, other 6 categories does not have any additive or nutritive values. They does not have any nutritive value. कलर्स सिर्फ आपको अच्छा दिखने के लिए, रेड कलर, ग्रीन कलर्स सबसे वाइडली यूज़ किए जाते हैं. फ्लेवरिंग एजेंट्स आपके टेस्ट बड को अच्छा लगने के लिए, स्वीटनिंग एजेंट्स, स्टेबलाइजिंग एजेंट्स, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स, preservatives are some of the most widely used chemicals in a food. These are added either to increase the shelf life of the food or for the cosmetic purposes. In this particular section, we are going to discuss mainly about the artificial sweetening agents. Artificial sweetening agents, as the name indicates, they are synthetic in nature and they have sweet in taste, but they does not have any calorie value. They are sweet in taste but does not have any calorie value. There are two different types: natural sweeteners and artificial synthetic one. Natural sweeteners like sucrose, जो हमें मालूम है कि sucrose is a sweet in taste but it has a very high calorie value. Add to the calorie index, and therefore many people prefer to use artificial sweetening agents, especially the patient who is diabetic in nature and those who are suffering from obesity. They avoid the natural sweeteners like sucrose and they like to increase the intake of artificial sweetening agents. Artificial sweetening agents has its own sweetness but does not have any calorie value or very low calorie value. Orthosulfobenzamides are also called as saccharin. Common name of saccharin is orthosulfobenzamides. Most IMP है JEE नीट के एग्जाम के लिए. Orthosulfobenzamides is nothing but the common name of saccharin, is the first popular artificial sweetening agents. It is one of the most popular artificial sweetening agent. It has been used as a sweetening agent since it was discovered in 1879. Saccharin is almost 550 times more sweet than sucrose. Yes, 550 times more sweetener than sucrose. So one must take very good care about while utilizing the artificial sweetening agent. So they are required in a very small pellets. It is excreted in the body, that is in the form of urine, unchanged. इसलिए वो हमारे बॉडी में मेटाबलाइज नहीं होने वाला है, बट ओनली प्रोवाइड स्वीटनेस वैल्यू टू अवर टंग्स. इट अपीयर्स टू बी एंटायरली इनर्ट and harmless when taken. Its use has a great value for the diabetic person and those who want to control their calorie intake, especially for obese person. Some other commonly marketed artificial sweetening agents are discussed in the table. The first one is aspartame. The aspartame is made up of aspartic acid, which is one of the amino acids, and phenylalanine. Phenylalanine, it is an ester in nature. Here carboxylic acid, aspartame has a carboxylic acid group in the form of aspartic acid and ester group in the form of phenylalanine methyl ester. So it is a combination of carboxylic acid group, amide group and ester group. It is 100 times more sweet value than natural sugar or cane sugar. कैन शुगर से इसका स्वीटनेस वैल्यू एस्पार्टेम का कितना है? 100 times. Aspartame, aspartic acid and phenylalanine. It is made up of aspartic acid and phenylalanine. Both are the amino acids. Carboxylic acid group, amide group and ester group is present in that. Second, saccharin. जैसा हमने कहा था, this is a structure of saccharin. It is benzene sulfonamide structure. Benzene orthosulfobenzamides. orthosulfobenzimides. JEE 2021 के एग्ज़ाम में सैकेरिन के स्ट्रक्चर के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था कि इन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सैकेरिन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ग्रुप है कि नहीं है, तो नहीं है. CONH यानी एमाइड ग्रुप एंड सल्फो ग्रुप. सो orthosulfobenzamides, that is the structure present in saccharin, and saccharin is 550 times more sweetening value than natural sugar. Then third one is sucralose. Sucralose has a structure similar to sucrose. Structure similarity to that of sucrose. Both glucose and fructose units are there, but it has a chlorine as a functional group present in that, whereas sucrose does not have chlorine as a functional group. Yes, the main difference is the functional group. Chlorine is present in the structure of sucralose, and there are 3 chlorine atoms are located present. There are observed to be presence of 3 chlorine atoms, and sucralose is almost 600 times more sweetener than natural sugar, cane sugar. The fourth one is allium. Allium is 2000 times more sweetener than sugar. It has again carboxylic acid group, amide group, carboxylic acid group, amide group, and sulfur linkage is the present in that. It is the only one which consists of the sulfur linkage. Carboxylic acid group, amide group, and sulfur linkage. Allium is 2000 times more sweetener in the compared to cane sugars. So which of the following artificial sweetening agent is the most sweetener values or highest sweetness index? That is allium. हो गया. फिर next aspartame. Aspartame is most successfully and widely used artificial sweetener. It is 100 times as sweet as cane sugar. It is the methyl ester of dipeptide formed by the aspartic acid and phenylalanine. इसलिए उसको methyl ester of dipeptide. कौन से दो का है? It is a dipeptide of aspartic acid and alanine, 2 amino acids. So it is a kind of dipeptide. Most time पे ध्यान रखिएगा, एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हैं. Use of the aspartame is limited to the cold fruits and soft drinks because it is unstable at cooking temperature. जी हाँ, aspartame कुकिंग टेम्परेचर पर अनस्टेबल है, इसलिए उसको कुकिंग में यूज़ किया सकता नहीं है. स्वीटनेस सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स और कोल्ड फ्रूट बनाने में यूज़ किया जाता नहीं है. यूज़ ऑफ एस्पार्टेम इज लिमिटेड ओनली टू द कोल्ड फ्रूट्स एंड सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक बिकॉज इट इज़ अनस्टेबल एट हाई टेम्परेचर. Allium has a high potency of sweetener, almost 2000 times, although it is more stable than aspartame. To control the sweetness of the food difficult while using it. Allium का यूज़ करने से सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इट इज़ 2000 मोर स्वीटनर दैन नेचुरल शुगर. यानी आप 1 ग्राम शुगर ले रहे हो तो उसके सामने बराबर आपका इसका 1 ग्राम एलिटेम के साथ के 2 kg शुगर का रिप्लेस कर सकता है. इतना ज़्यादा स्वीटनेस वैल्यू है इसका. सुक्रालोस इज़ अ ट्राइक्लोरोडेरिवेटिव्स. आप ध्यान से समझना है, स्ट्रक्चर के बेस पे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. It is a trichloroderivatives of sucrose. Its appearance and taste is like sugar. It is stable at cooking temperature and does not provide calorie. Yes, this is the one which is used in a preparation of sweets. Clear? Because it is stable at cooking temperature. So this is mainly about the artificial sweetening agents. Next, food preservatives. Food preservatives, we all know that nowadays we all are used to take the preserved food for a longer period of time because we do not have time to make the food, our daily requirement on a daily basis. So we are used junk foods, we are used to with the packaged food, and all these junk food and packaged foods consist of the preservatives. To preserve the food, the food preservative prevent the spoilage of food due to microbial growth. The most widely used food preservatives include table salt, जी हाँ, sugar, vegetable oils and sodium benzoate. table salt, sugar, vegetable oils, and sodium benzoate are the example of commonly used food preservatives. Sodium benzoate is used in a limited quantities and it is metabolized in the body. Salt of sorbic acid and propanoic acid, ध्यान से बच्चों ध्यान दीजिएगा. Sorbic acid and propanoic acid के salt are used also used as a preservatives. Sorbic acid and propanoic acid. This is all about the chemical used in the food. In the next video we will discuss about the cleansing agent.